The silhouette's burning, the embers rising high, like a chemical fire. The flame won't die. Intertwine, darling, you and I. Barely scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is fueling the furnace. I'm up all night and we're intertwined. Darling, you and I. And my heart beats cold under your control. Just let loose and go. Did I lose my mind? Did your mercury eyes ever go blind? Beats cold under your control. Just a false echo. I'm a ghost. Did I lose my mind? And your mercury eyes ever go in blind? You're the reason why. And my heart beats cold under your control. Just a false echo. Did I lose my mind? Did your mercury eyes ever go blind?
Mind do run around with my ear up to the ground. I'm searching to behold the stories that I told when my back is to the world that was smiling when I turned. But once you turn the misery, everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy, everybody wants to be my enemy. My enemy.
Hoping that somebody pray for me. I'm praying that somebody want for me. I'm staying where nobody supposed to be. Papa posted, being a wreck of emotions. Ready to go whenever you let me know. The road is long, so put the pedal to the flow. The enemy on my trail, my energy unavailable. I'ma tell him I send away go. When I fly on my drive to the top, I've been out of shape, thinking out of box. I'm an astronaut. I'm blasting off the planet, rocking cause catastrophe, and that matters more because I had it. Now I had. I thought about wreaking havoc on an opposition, kinda shocking. They want a static with position. I'm automatic, quarterback. I ain't talking shit.
The misery, everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy, everybody wants to be my enemy. My enemy.